welcome to Biz 10X Technology. This video will go over our basics that we provide in our system. I'm going to go through the brochure so I don't miss anything. Also, I'll let you know this is not one of the professional video program recordings that we do for your company. This is a basic, down-to-earth video on just our brochure. I will show you what our professional videos look like, but this is going to talk about what we offer to you as a company to build your business, your sales team. Okay, Biz 10X Technology is a way to simplify building a sales team or networking team with the Biz 10X IT automated hiring, training, testing, and managing power system. Okay, also our website is biz10x.com, and we're going to go to the left here, and I'm going to go over the different items that we offer in this custom-built solution for your salespeople hiring system. Number one, we start with online recruiting, and this is a database builder of salespeople applying for a job. By adding one sentence to your help wanted ad, which would be apply online at yourcompanyname.com, new hire, they will come to a system that will allow them to enter their name and their address, their phone number, their past work history, their email address, etc. This is a very useful tool in that you don't have to keystroke any of the information. You don't have to open up PDFs and Word documents of resumes. Everything is automated. It allows you to receive thousands of help wanted ads. We received over 2,100 help wanted applications from commission-only salespeople using this system, and it allowed us to take the email column in the database once we opened up the database and email all applicants special notices, get a hold of them, invite them to appointments and interviews if we are doing live interviews. And also it allowed us to do robo-poll or telephone call to all of them automated. And so this is a great system. The online application system is great because it does save you a lot of time. It also automatically sends out an autoresponder. This is the beginning of your automation system. The autoresponder is custom built for your company with a link to the Get Started area. And the autoresponder will also include a password and username for them to log into the Get Started area. And at the Get Started area, this is where there'll be more instructions telling them about your company and also taking them over to the video training. The video training is some videos that we'll produce on your company for training of your sales, your commission structure, your company, any type of video you want created for the video training. So this trains them. You still haven't spoken with any salesperson yet, and they've already been trained and they've applied. And here we come down to the sales tools that they go to for their brochures, sales materials, etc. And then also a company newsletter. If you have a company newsletter, you upload the newsletters there for your salespeople to see the newsletters, or a newsletter that they can use to show their customer. Depends on what type of newsletters you want to do. And after going through the newsletters, the sales tools, and also the video training, you now are ready to test them. They now go to a custom test built for your company. This is very easy and simple. Anybody with no internet web design experience whatsoever can create a custom test with our system, or we'll create it for you. There's no problem there. We can go through your sales materials, your training, and create the test, or you can create the test. It's either way you want to do that. Anyway, the online test will test them on their knowledge of the product or the service or the company, and it will automatically score the test. And it will automatically send an email to you of the person's name and the test score that they received. So you know that they've got a high enough score to go to work for your company. Or if you accept everybody, that's fine. If you don't accept everybody, you want them to have at least a 70% score, 85% score, that's up to you. But this will show you that they understand the commission structure, they understand the product, the company, etc. Now, after they've done the testing, they can go to the download form area. This is an area where you can upload forms like sales agreements or 1099 forms or any forms they might need to get started. This is great because now they're not waiting for mail. They can download everything and print it right out on their home computer and be ready to go in hours. If they've trained and tested and downloaded the form, you can actually start a salesperson in an hour or two instead of them waiting for days to get started. So this is a great program. Anyway, now what happens is with our company, we had over 9,000 leads that we needed to separate into databases. So what we did in the California market is we separated the databases into uh, 3-digit zip codes. For instance, if the zip code was 95959, we would take the 959 and take all of our leads in the 959 zip code area, and we'd make one database. So if we have a salesperson in the 959 area, that database would be assigned to that one salesperson. The other unique thing about this lead distribution system that we built is that each database has a username and a password. When they put in their unique username and password, then it only opens up their database, which also, once they've opened up their database, it starts an appointment setting system where they click on the icon, and then the icon will allow them to go to the appointment setting system. It tracks the information pertinent to the appointment, the owner's name, and also it's been designed that an appointment setter could also use the system by some special tools that we've included that will allow them to make appointments for your salespeople if you want appointment setters to make appointments for the salespeople. The other important part about this is there's a tracking system for you as the business owner or sales manager, and that is that you could look at 100 databases at one time on a screen sheet and a spreadsheet, and you could see this green number that pops up next to each database, and that green number is the amount of appointments that have been made in each database. So if it's a 0, that salesperson isn't working. If it's a 54, that means 54 appointments have been made in that database. This is important if each database is expensive to you, because a database with 0, you're losing money because those people are not being called on, and you can reassign that database and give it a different username and password and change it so the salesperson that's not working no longer has access to that database, and this database now is assigned to another salesperson. Also, this way of doing this system makes sure that no two salespeople call on the same person. Okay, and also webinars. If you want to keep the salespeople pumped up, and motivational webinars every Monday, or maybe with some training, etc., we can help implement a webinar into your system. And after they've done all this, what's going to happen? They're going to bring in orders. When they bring in orders, we created a system that once they can upload the orders, they can upload photographs if needed, they can upload PDFs, they can upload signed contracts with a scanned contract. All these files can be uploaded. Also, the amount of money that was spent, the check number, and also all order uploads can be customized to your exact order uploads criteria. This also allows you to export in a minute all of orders that you've received and see which salesperson's selling what, also the amount of dollar sales, etc. So this is a great program. I'm going to go to the top now, and we're going to go through each one of the points to make sure that I've covered each one for you. Okay, number one, there is no monthly fees on this program, and I will tell you that some of the sales building team stuff out there for salespeople is very expensive, like Salesforce.com. They charge $3,000 a year. That's to rent the program. You do not own it. With this program that we built here, you own it. There are no monthly fees. It is yours 100%. You'll never pay us a dime after that. And also, it's customized for your company. You're just paying us to build this custom system for 4 weeks. We can, in a rush situation, build it in a week, but at the same price. But the thing is, there's no monthly fees. You own it. The only part about owning it is you are not allowed to resell it to another company. We are building it for your company and your branch offices exclusively. Okay, let's go through the system. When I say build a sales team of 1 to 1,000 in 2 days automatically, you absolutely can do that. If you're a nationwide company and you took Craigslist, for example, and you placed, let's say, 50 ads in 50 of the major cities and received 20 applications, you do not have to talk to anybody the way this system is built. They go online and they apply online, and they're trained and they're tested without you re-speaking or talking to everybody over and over. They go through it themselves. And I've had the salespeople, tons of salespeople that are very happy with the way that we do this. Okay, so if you had 50 cities in your nationwide company and you got 20 applications in each city, You've got 1,000 salespeople that have been trained, tested, and ready to go. They already have their download tools. They have their sales brochures. They have their forms. They have maybe their business card templates. Everything that they need to get started right away. Okay. Now, online recruiting and application processing. That's what we just spoke about. Another thing is that by not having to keystroke 1,000 applications, it's a big time saver. They keystroke all of the data. And all of our databases are exportable. This is very important. Some companies will do things for you, but they don't let you to export it. They don't want you to control it. They want to keep getting your monthly payment. And we're totally against that. We're into helping you build your business. That's what we live for, is to help you build your business. Anyway, so you export to a database all of your sales applications when you're ready to export it. Anything that comes in as a database, you can export to a CSV file, and that CSV file can be opened by Excel or OpenOffice.org if you don't have Excel. And by the way, OpenOffice.org is great. It's a kind of a knockoff of Microsoft Office, but it's free. You can download OpenOffice.org. It's free. And another thing about OpenOffice.org, while we're talking about that for a second, I'm going to give you a little hint here. As you know, Excel only opens up the first 64,000 rows. So if you have more than 64,000 records, you're not going to really be able to use Excel. So OpenOffice.org, their database, will let you open up 100,000 or more and rows, and that's just so we use OpenOffice.org, but you can use any program you want to open up your databases. Okay, like we said, when they apply for the job, they get the autoresponder. Here's where the technology starts coming into play. They don't need to talk to anybody at your office. That's why you can hire 1,000, because it isn't taking you any of your office resources to run this program. They get an autoresponder that tells them, welcome to our company. We're glad you applied. Your next step is to go to our online training system, and here's your username and password. They now go to the online training, and after the online training, it takes them to the online testing, which tests that they did understand the training and that they are ready to be part of your sales team. When they start receiving orders, the order upload area for the money, the check number, the credit card number, photos, scanned agreements, everything will be uploaded there for you to track it. The instant sales tool delivery, this of course is your retail brochures, any flyers that you have for them to print out and take to and show to their customers. And the instant form delivery, any type of agreements that might need to be filled out. If you're a magazine, an advertising agreement, if you're a roofing contractor, a roofing agreement, or a security system, whatever type of forms you use. Anyway, online, or if you're an MLM business, a sign-up form to sign up and become part of your team. Okay, online appointment setting and tracking system. This system here has been built for two people. It's been built for your salespeople to use, and it's also been built for an appointment setter to use easily to set appointments for your salespeople. So the other thing good about the appointment setting system is that it does allow them to update the form without changing the basic information they can never change. But they can update the form, and they can also track which appointments they have for that day, and also they can put in reminders, and it's a great appointment setting system. And you can also in seconds view this system and see how many appointments have been made in any certain database. Okay, and the online lead distribution, this is all of our stuff is unlimited. Online lead distribution, if you have 100,000 leads, you want to break them up into 1,000 different files, 1,000 for each different database. You can do that and have 100 different databases. I'll make a point here. We do have 30 million businesses in our database available to you. If you want 1,000 doctors in Los Angeles, or 1,000 dentist office, or whatever type of business, we do have all the businesses in the United States in our database. Okay, the CMS content management system. This is another very important system built in for you. This allows you with no internet website design experience whatsoever. At any time, anywhere, you can update the starting page, the sales tools page, training page. You can upload files, PDFs, or images, change the text on those pages at any time without contacting us. You have complete control. with no experience. It's very simple. You just click a few buttons, sign in using your username and password, and change those pages whenever you want. Okay, passwords and usernames. If you want to change your username and password for your admins panel or for the employees section, you can change those username and passwords for the login at any time. Okay, the video production, video marketing. This is important. The video, because you're watching a video right now, you can see how important it is. Besides looking at a static brochure, it's a talking brochure. Okay, but you'll see that we do a professional video for these two points here, not a basic video like I'm doing right now. Okay, the production of one training video, that and one corporate video. The career video, I want to make a point real quick. That's about your company, and that's about your background, what kind of services you offer. Pretty much your corporate brochure made into video. But I do want to make one point on the career video, and that is that salespeople are much more valuable than customers. If a customer is worth $100 a month to your business, for example, and you retain that customer for 3 years, that customer is worth $3,600. But if a salesperson sells 3 customers in a month, that is worth over $10,000 because he's brought in 3 customers, or because 3 customers at $3,600 value times 3 is $10,800. So that salesperson is worth over $120,000 a year to you, okay, or more to your bottom line. So your salesperson is worth a lot more money. So when you make a career video, slant it towards knowing that you wanted to also sell this salesperson on wanting to join your company over your competitor's company. Okay? And also, of course, the sales opportunity video that we do will be, that is totally a sales video to entice every salesperson that applies to your company to want to come to your company and go further and grow with your company. Okay? The marketing of these videos, now you can put these online on your website, put them on YouTube. We'll put them on YouTube for you. If you want to, or you can embed them right into your website, and we suggest you do that. And also that you can market these in a lot of different video marketing areas that you're not at now if you don't have a video. Okay, we also do copywriting and professional graphic design. We can create your sales flyers, your corporate pieces for you if you need that done. If you already have them, we'll upload them for you. Give us a login or give us the files. We'll set it up and fill your your sales tool areas and your form areas. We can do all that for you. And like I said, we can rewrite it. We can use graphic design and rechange it if you need help there. We also allow places for you to post your ads, your help wanted ads free, and this is so you can bring more people into your system. And this complete system is built for small or large businesses. It's also can be custom built for MLM teams by Salis or other types of companies. I'm going to go to the inside of the brochure right now, and we're going to go through this step by step. Okay. Put Biz10X technology to work for you. It's incredibly powerful. It's amazingly simple. We connect your business to the automated technology resources you need. The Biz10X technology is a powerful sales team business building system. Each Biz10X system is custom created for individual businesses, large or small, local or nationwide. The Biz10X system is an automated online system to recruit, hire, train, manage, track, and build a successful sales team from 10 to thousands of sales reps with no extra resources needed by your company. The Biz10X system is designed to continually build your sales team 365 days a year, and I'll add there with no monthly payments. The Biz10X system will also generate customer leads daily for your sales team. The Biz10X Power system contains more sales team tools than any other company at a fraction of the price. The Biz10X sales team building systems are custom built and private labeled for each business. If you are serious about building your sales team, this is the best system on the market. This is not a cookie cutter system. We custom build it for your company. The Biz 10X system is built with a goal of one employee managing the system with only a couple hours a week investment, and you can build your sales team 10 to 100 times larger and faster than the normal conventional methods. The Biz 10X system is also great for recruiting sales managers, business opportunity buyers, or network marketers for custom MLM programs. Here, Biz 10X is more than just a CRM. Uh, in other words, such as Salesforce.com, which is a custom relationship management program. We're a lot more than that. And you're not going to pay us $3,000 a year to rent our program. You're going to own our program for a lot less. Okay, Biz 10X custom builds each system for small companies and growing companies, even large multi-product or multi-division organizations. You can discover how Biz 10X can dramatically improve your sales volume and help you to consistently close more business. Okay, Biz 10X is a sales tool system that gets results. The Biz 10X Power System makes it easy to stay on top of your leads, your customers, and your sales. Starting with our training and testing system, salespeople are also able to follow your company's best practices, sales process, making the entire team to be more profitable while generating consistent and repeatable results. And also you can use this system to forecast what the sales may be by looking at how many appointments are made on. If you have, let's say, 30 salespeople, and you can see by looking at our system that you have a total of 200 appointments set for next week, and you know what the closing ratios are, then you can also forecast sales results using this system. Okay, business solutions for business-to-business sales, door-to-door sales, in-house salespeople, advertising sales, internet, SEO, web design companies, merchant account sales, construction, home improvement, roofing, car sales, insurance, telemarketing, MLM, networking companies, employee staffing, non-sales. Other companies can use this, not just sales companies. We just custom design it a little different for any company, and also fundraisers and security system sales. Any types of direct sales organizations can use this company to build their sales team. Okay, now we're going to go look at this section of the brochure and go over that real quick. Okay, here we're just going to show you that 1 year free technology consulting provided with a total end-to-end solution. You can call us anytime, and anything that you need done or perfected, we're here to help you. Build your sales team 10 times faster with Biz 10X. The IT sales team staffing solution. Salespeople have access to their leads, their prospects, the sales materials, training, and presentation videos anytime, anywhere. The Business 10X provides technology to automate the strategy. The strategy and the technology and the people is what equals success. The technology is the automation of the strategy, and the people execute the strategy. Okay, here we go. Senior Living LLC generates $138,386 using Biz 10X. Okay, using the Biz 10X system, 233 new sales were created using the Biz 10X system. 2,132 salespeople applications received using Biz 10X. Using the Biz 10X system, we received 2,132 online commission-only sales applicants. We hired 23 and have generated 233 new sales. These new salespeople have already generated $138,386 in new sales. We continue to use the Biz 10X system every day. We will never stop using the Biz 10X. We may hit $1 million in sales because of the Biz 10X system. Okay, on the bottom here, our favorite word is unlimited. Amount of users and salespeople that can be on this system, unlimited. Amount of tests you can create, unlimited. Amount of application you can receive, unlimited. How many orders can you upload, unlimited. How many files of video uploads and downloads, unlimited. Amount of databases and leads, unlimited. And our other favorite word is free. What is our monthly fee? Free. You own it. We can add some more services for your company if you need help with your company and managing and building it. We provide a complete set of online videos to train your staff to be up and running in less than 1 hour with your own custom Biz 10X business building system. We also provide a video training set for your new salespeople on using the Biz 10X system. So we can build the training videos on your sales system to train salespeople on how to sell your program. You just provide us the wording on that section, or the format, the manual, or anything you want, and we'll build a video to train them. Okay, we can even manage your system for you. We can assign an account manager to return calls and emails from staff members, or handle your salespeople calls and provide all the detailed instructions you provide us. This is if you want this service. Other items we can available: company newsletter upload and design available, appointment setters for your salespeople, customized sales materials with their name. We can put their name on it when they apply, and if they need their name put on the custom materials and you need us to do that, we can do that. Webinars with motivation and training, new sales tools as they're created, databases and lead compiling and distribution. Like I said, we have 30 million businesses in the United States on our database. So if you need 1,000 doctors in Los Angeles or San Diego, we have that, or New Orleans, or anywhere. Anyway, tracking of salespeople, and we can even mail your startup packages if you need. We can provide you a complete turnkey solution to build your sales team. Okay, the Biz 10X system. Okay, we're going to go over to the left here. The Biz 10X Power Business Building Solution, like we said, it's online recruiting and applications, online training, online testing, online sales order uploading, online sales tools, online form delivery, online appointment setting, online appointment tracking system, CRM customer tracking solution, online lead distribution. Let's see if it has content management system, passwords, you change it at any time. Video production, sales training, videos, video production, corporate video, video marketing of career video, copywriting, professional graphic design, post free help wanted ads. How much is this all going to cost? Okay, the Biz 10X complete custom power system is only $495 for 4 weeks, and then you own it. Total cost $495, 4 payments, 4 weeks. No monthly payments afterwards. You own the Biz 10X system. You agree not to copy or resell any part of the Biz 10X system. It's for your company only. The Biz 10X system is built on our server and transferred to your server after completion, or we can host the Biz 10X system free if you choose. We have a rush availability, 2 weeks, $995 a week, or we can actually do it in a real big rush in 1 week, and you'd have to pay in full the $1,980. So it's $1,980 is the total cost, $495 a week for 4 weeks, or 2 weeks, $995 a week, or in 1 week rush, we can do it. If we have time, we'll let you know if we can do the 1 week rush to build your system. Okay, I think we've covered everything in the brochure, and that's what we wanted to do there. I will give you an idea real quick here on, I'm going to go to biz10x.com here, and I'm going to, before we end this video, give you an idea of what a professional video would look like. And so I'm going to go to the home screen here, and we're going to scroll down. Also, the brochure is also downloadable in a PDF form at biz10x.com, and I'm going to minimize the screen here, and I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to click on the video to give you an idea. Here's some videos we did for a client called Guardian Media Solution. This here is their career video, company video, and I'm going to click on this one here real quick so you get an idea.
Would you like to make $100,000 or more working from home in one of the hottest multi-billion-dollar businesses today? No experience required and easy, fast training of only a few hours. A business where you can work from home or in the field. At Guardian Media Solutions, we provide just that with your own internet business with services and products that are in the highest demand. We provide SEO, search engine optimization, SEP, search engine placement and monthly management, website design, mobile website optimization, video creation and video marketing, social media marketing, and print and online.
Okay, that was to show you what the type of video we do for the different companies. They're not this small on the screen. I made it this small to fit on my home page. This is a video on their company. This one here is a sales video for getting new salespeople. This one here was about their company.
With over 30 trillion URLs online, and on an average day crawl over 20 billion of those, and Google answering 100 billion searches per month, how do you make sure your website for your service or product gets premium placement when searched to provide you more business? All you have to do is contact Guardian Media Solutions. 82% of the U.S. consumers are now searching online to find their local services and products like yours. Today, few.
Okay, and on the videos, I also did the writing of the videos, the transcribing the words, and provided those to our video production department. And that's just a quick overview on what we offer. You can come back to biz10x.com and you can view our videos. You can view our brochure, download it, and I hope that you become one of our satisfied clients. And I'm going to end this video, and there will be more videos that I'll be adding on each one of these modules. I'll be providing a video so you can see how each one of them work in a more detailed basis. If you have any questions, you can call me at 503-502-6905, and you can email me at biz10xpower@gmail.com. That's biz10x power, POWER, @gmail.com, or call 503-502-6905, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have on this program. Thank you for your time.